Importing patterns from AutoCAD to Revit is now easier and requires less management. In this example, we will look at a double fill pattern in Revit and review the foreground fill pattern and the background fill pattern. We can export to a .dwg file type to review the pattern in AutoCAD. We will ensure, in this example, that exporting views on sheets as external references is unchecked, and then we are able to open AutoCAD and open the exported .dwg file for review. In this example, you can see the 5 elements exported from Revit to AutoCAD. These consist of 4 lines and 1 hatch. From AutoCAD, we will save as a .dwg file for import back into Revit. From Revit, we can select Insert, Import CAD, and select the file that we just exported. We will preserve colors, auto-detect import units, and ensure that we are only importing into the current view. Here, you will be able to see the import elements. We will use the CO shortcut to copy with a base point, and then select the copied element and perform a partial explode operation. We will again copy the initial imported element and perform a full explode operation. You can see the result of the full explode is the creation of 1 detail item and 4 detail lines. This is the same result for the partial explode. When we inspect the type of the filled region that was created, we see the foreground fill pattern and color and the background fill pattern and color are consistent.